Students, today we are going to revise lesson number 6, Saudi Arabia for midterm. Important points. Deserts are of two types, hot deserts and cold deserts. And what is Saudi Arabia? It is hot desert. Saudi Arabia is a wealthy country because of its oil reserves. Hillocks of sand here are called sand dunes. Date palm trees are the only trees which grow easily in this region. The climate of Saudi Arabia is extremely hot and dry. Abha is the hill station of Saudi Arabia. Camel is called the ship of the desert. An oasis is a place where underground water comes to the surface and forms a pool. The discovery of petroleum or liquid gold has changed the lifestyle of people. People of Saudi Arabia are called nomads or Bedouins. A person who has done Hajj is called Haji. Saudi Arabia is a monarchy. The king is the head of the government. Now the word pa that you need to learn from this lesson is oasis, that is a fertile place in a desert, cacti, thorny plants commonly found in the desert, nomad, a person belonging to a tribe which travels from place to place. Now the main points, let us recall once again. The climate of Saudi Arabia is hot and dry. Bedouins are nomads, they still lead a traditional life. The discovery of petroleum has changed the life of the people here. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. It is the largest city in Saudi Arabia. Makkah and Medina, the two holiest places of Muslims, are in Saudi Arabia. A person who has done Hajj is called Haji. Think and answer. Petroleum is called liquid gold, black diamond. So correct answer is liquid gold. Second one, oasis is found in hills, desert, forest. So correct answer is desert. Third, the capital of Saudi Arabia is Jeddah, Riyadh, Qatar. So correct answer is Riyadh. Fourth one, the head of the government in Saudi Arabia is President, Prime Minister, King. So correct answer is King. Now let's do fill in the blanks. First one is dash is the most common plant in the desert. So answer is date palm. Second one, the climate of Saudi Arabia is dash and dash. So it is hot and dry. Third one, the head covering worn by the Arabs is called dash. That means gutra. Fourth, the annual pilgrimage of Muslims to Makkah and Medina is called dash, Hajj. Write T for true and F for false statement. First one is Saudi Arabia is a poor country. So this is wrong. Saudi Arabia is a rich country. Second, Bedouins live at one place only. This is also wrong. They don't live at one place. They keep moving from place to place. Third one, petroleum is the main reason for Saudi Arabia's wealth. So this is correct. Fourth one, Jeddah is the largest city in Saudi Arabia. This is false. It is not Jeddah, it is Riyadh. Then fifth one, petroleum is also called liquid gold. So it is correct. Now match the following. First one is camel. So we will match it with ship of the desert. Second one is nomads. So we will match it with Bedouins. Then third one is petroleum. So we will match it with liquid gold. And fourth one is dates, so that we will match with nutrition and sweet fruit. Now we come to read and gain. The string of camels laden with goods is called a caravan. Although Land Rovers and small aeroplanes are now used in some desert places, caravans are still a common sight. A camel is an ideal animal to use in a desert. Do you know why? Because it has very wide padded feet and do not sink into the sand. Camels can go for several days without water using fat stored in their humps to keep them alive. If you think of the vast desert as the ocean of sand, it is no wonder camels are often called sheep of the desert. Now here's an activity for you to do. These are the names of some famous deserts of the world. You have to find to which country they belong. So you will find the names and write it in the comment box and tell me. So hurry up, do it fast. Thank you.